Hi, this is Miss Pika Freak, and I'm going to show you how to draw Pichu. Well, how I draw him, of course. I'm not showing you how to, because that sounds kind of mean. Do kind of shape like that, and then the ear pops up like this. Do these weird shape things. Then it comes up again here. Yeah, don't do what I just did there. Do not. If you just did, rub it out. I don't do any step stuff. I just draw straight away. I don't feel like it. It is like going straight away to the top. Yeah, the head shape is really pretty hard. Yeah, I'll fix it later. It just looks too weird. It doesn't look right. That's how Amy used to do it. So pushing the ears back. Then you do kind of chest, blacky chest. You're kind of weird. No, one sec. Kind of weird shape I just did there. And then like this. Yeah, that's better.